This is a tutorial for tagging or identifying equipment on the Motili on-site mobile app. When we ask for a unit to be identified, also known as asset tagged, this means we are expecting you to provide specific information for that piece of equipment. In some cases, this process can include the application or scanning of a Motili provided QR code sticker. It is important to note that you must be checked into a work order in order to identify the equipment. Once you are checked in, scroll down to the bottom of the work order. To identify equipment, you will use the button labeled Equipment. As you'll notice, there is a red circle with the number 1 on this button. The red circle identifies that you need to take action here. The count represents the number of units that you will be required to tag. Tap the button. Here you will see text that reads, "Please tag all previously tagged equipment." This will be the case for all preventative maintenance work orders. If there are specific unit types that we require to be identified, those will be listed here for reference. There will be a list of equipment that has been previously tagged at this property. In this example, there is only an air conditioner listed. Therefore, the requirement is to tag the air conditioner. However, if you are performing preventative maintenance on other units on the property, you must tag them as well. To tag the previously tagged air conditioner, you will tap on the air conditioner card. You will be required to provide at least 2 photos, one of the piece of equipment and one of the nameplate. You can add additional photos if you would like using the Add Photo button. If there is a Motili QR code, you will tap the button below to scan it. If not, you can skip this step. Next, you will review all information here and verify that it is accurate. Once you've confirmed all the attributes, you will move on to the inspection. You will rate the environment, wear and tear, and overall condition. Finally, you will apply your recommendation. You will choose between repair, replace, and no action. If you select repair, you will be required to apply what needs to be repaired. Select all that apply. You can add comments that are specific to this piece of equipment using the comment button. Once all required information has been provided, you can select Tag Equipment. You will see that the status has been queued, and once processed will show as completed. If you need to make edits after tagging a unit, you can tap on the card and change necessary details. In the event there is another unit that you are performing work on that is not listed, you will select the large button at the top of the screen labeled Identify Equipment. If you cannot access all information from the data plate, you can select the other button labeled Identify Partial Equipment. We'll go through tagging a unit with all available information. There will be 8 steps to identify an untagged piece of equipment. First, you will capture the Motili provided QR sticker for the unit. If there is no sticker, tap Skip in the bottom right corner. Then you will capture or apply the nameplate photo. Select the type of equipment. Once you select the equipment type, the associated attribute fields will appear for you to fill in. Once complete, tap Confirm. The manufacturer name will pre-populate if it can be registered from the nameplate photo. This is the same for the model number and serial number. Verify that each of these are correct if they pre-populate and tap Confirm. If they are not, or if they don't pre-populate, enter the correct information into the input field manually. Select the year of the manufacturer. Tap Confirm. Here, you will be brought to a summary screen, just like the previously tagged unit. Upload the equipment photo, complete the ratings on the inspection section, and apply your recommendation for the unit. Comment on the unit if necessary. Once complete, tap Tag Equipment. Again, you will see that the status has been queued, and once processed will show as completed. Once all equipment has been tagged, you can go back to the work order screen. The equipment button now shows a green circle with a check mark to represent that this section is complete.